Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to convert Google Docs to PDF. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and now I want to save this document as a PDF. How do I do that? I simply click on File on the top left corner and select Print. Here I change my printer from this one to Save as PDF and select all the pages I want to save. In this case I want to save all pages, so I leave this setting as it is. If I now click on Save, I select the right location on my computer and click on Save again. And so we have saved Google Docs as a PDF. We also look at the file on the desktop, and as we can see, it worked fine. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.